Daily Dispatch, Day 109. Welcome to the jungle. Yesterday marked a first for the project. Someone on Day 63 of cessation engaged with the YouTube content. This is the first instance of someone using the map. At Day 63, they're bang in the middle of the 8-week wall, arguably the toughest point of the entire journey, so I'm delighted they found us. I replied with some encouragement, pointing them towards the relevant data and confirming that while my hardest days were the 60 to 80 stretch, the intensity does taper off. I still have tough days, but between 60 and 80 days it was relentless. Now it's just the odd day here and there. That was something that only struck me when I replied to them, so it looks like every user of the map is in a position to help the others. It could be a very nice little community of support in the future. Support was definitely something I had envisaged when I started this, although I didn't actually see the community aspect, so that's a pleasant and unexpected surprise. In the afternoon, I forced myself to go clothes shopping, an activity I've always loathed. The minute I walk into a store, I'm hit with a cold sweat. It's total sensory overwhelm. Between the choices, colours, fabrics and styles, I lose focus instantly. I've often wondered if this is a neurodivergent trait rather than a chemical one. Without the chemical buffer to dampen my sensory intake, the environment feels amplified. I struggle with sensory gating, the brain's ability to filter out background stimuli, and a retail store is the ultimate test of that system. I have already documented the boredom factor from quitting alcohol and cannabis, so I feel I achieved a couple of things at the end of the day. I killed a few hours and I slightly enhanced my wardrobe. I use that term loosely. It's really just a few drawers and a hanger or two. When I find something I like, I wear it until it falls apart. I have one current pair of jeans and one emergency pair. The old ones I haven't tossed yet. T-shirts and socks are easy to order online, so that's fine. As for boxer shorts, I prefer briefs. The kind that keeps everything snug and secure, rather than the loose free-range variety. I hate when my bits are flipping and flopping about when they're not supposed to be. I own several hoodies because during the last shopping excursion, I used a tactical entry strategy. I knew my size, I ignored the displays, grabbed 3 different colours, circled background and headed straight for the tills. No browsing, no messing about. I have a couple of suits for the big occasions and that's the limit of my interest. It's a recurring life problem, the sheer decision fatigue involving what to wear. I am absolutely hopeless at it. Anyway, enough waffle for today. Repair is ongoing, the frequencies are still oscillating, the AI scaffold holds, and my uniform is secured. The Daily Dispatch ends here, but the data continues. For the full forensic analysis, the daily metrics and the complete 24-month roadmap, please visit deepseekandme.substack.com. The record is open. I'll see you at the next log.